G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're just going to have a catch up, and it's not going to be a very long video because there's not much to catch up on. I have just had a very busy 2 weeks because my husband has been in for surgery. Now, don't worry, everything is fine. It was not just carpal tunnel surgery, but it was carpal tunnel surgery. So I've been looking after him for a week. We've had lots of appointments. I've had some appointments. Just been busy for 2 weeks. And I do have a video tutorial that is currently being edited, but I just don't have the written pattern ready. So I didn't want to have it out this weekend and have no written pattern. So next week, there are no surgeries planned and not much planned for me. So hopefully next week I can focus on that. And yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to come on and tell you. And let me know what you're crocheting at the moment. I have a project here that I'm crocheting on. It's not a tutorial yet. It's just a test run at the moment. So I hope you're having lots of crochet time and have a fabulous weekend. And I'll hopefully see you next weekend with a crochet tutorial. Happy crochet!